Okay, this is Kids Take It Apart, and we're here taking apart a Kids Lane walkie-talkie. This walkie-talkie had a little problem, and we were taking it apart to see if we could fix it. Yeah? Okay, so I've already taken all the screws out, and here we've got the back of it, and what goes in here, kiddo?
The batteries.
Yep, so this is where the batteries went. We've got a little corrosion down there, which we might have to clean up. So I'm going to pull this apart. Ready? And in here is all of the walkie-talkie. So
the antenna, the wire part,
what's the green?
The circuit board.
Yeah, and what's this?
The speaker and everything else. So,
yeah. So we've got the antenna here, and that's
wait,
what?
Wait, I want to take a picture of me.
No. Okay, so this is the antenna.
Can I be? I want to be in the video.
No, you're not going to be in the video.
Why?
Because we're.
Okay, I'll just be right here.
Okay, you have to be the camera operator. Okay, so we've got the antenna, and the antenna.
We only have 4 minutes left, and then 6.
Okay, so what does the antenna
Daddy,
do, kiddo?
When we take a video, does it ring when it's finished?
No, we just hit the button when it's finished. So
I'll
here's
hit
the
button.
This is the speaker.
Wait, Daddy, I'll do the cover.
Yeah, so this is the speaker, and it's lots of little wires that are all curled up, and there's a little plastic piece called do you remember what that's called? It's the membrane that makes the noise. So that's pretty cool. And then we have, let's pull this apart. I took a couple other screws out here. Do you remember what this piece is? A little switch. And what does that do? You can push that to talk. And then under here, we have the whole bottom of the circuit board. Do you remember what these things are? What is this that we talk into?
The speaker.
No, the speaker's down here. The speaker makes noise. The microphone is what we talk into when we want to send noise to somebody else. Send noise or talk to somebody else. And there are lots of circuits down here, and the switch to change channels.
A couple more minutes.
And a light to tell you when it's on. Yeah. Is that good? Okay. Do you want to tell people anything else about the walkie-talkie?
No.
Okay. Thanks, friends.